This week represents a great milestone for Sunbird. We announced our independent certification of over 210 BCF 1P and 540 BCF 2P for the Ibhubesi Gas and Condensate, which is located in Block 2A in South Africa. We're in the process of acquiring 76% interest in the project and will be the operator of the joint venture with South Africa's national oil company PetroSA. Ibhubesi is located 100 kilometres offshore in around 250 metres of water. It's a production licence covering 5,000 square kilometres, and since 2000 there's been over $120 million spent on exploration and appraisal of the field. 11 wells have been drilled for 7 gas discoveries, with 4 of those wells undergoing production testing. What attracted us to South Africa in the first place was the high-value energy market with limited domestic gas production. The South African energy market is dominated by baseload coal-fired power generation with a small amount of high-cost diesel-fired turbines to provide a majority of their peak demand. This presents Sunbird with the opportunity to enter the domestic energy market via gas-fired power generation. There's an undercapacity and a lack of peaking power in country, which has prompted the government to start a formal process to bring gas into the energy equation. With Ibhubesi being the largest undeveloped gas field in South Africa, in the short term, new domestic gas supply can only come from Ibhubesi or via the importation of expensive LNG. Sunbird is currently focused on 2 routes to market. The first is for Ibhubesi to supply new-built independent power producers on the west coast. The other is to convert existing facilities. The Anchorage power plant's located 50 k's north of Cape Town. It's a 1,300 megawatt turbine facility designed as a peaking plant. It burns diesel and provides us with an ideal opportunity to convert that over to Ibhubesi gas. The next steps involve us continuing to work with our JV partner to achieve major project milestones and advance phase 1 of the Ibhubesi Gas Project to a final investment decision. This will involve technical studies to finalise our field development plan, our facilities engineering, completion of the environmental studies and award of regulatory approvals, and in parallel conclusion of our gas marketing and commercial negotiations. With over $120 million having already been invested in the high-risk phase of exploration and appraisal to prove up the reserve base, Sunbird has a unique opportunity to develop the Ibhubesi gas field and supply gas into the high-value energy markets in South Africa. We can do this based on the proven 1P reserve space without the need for any further exploration and appraisal. This will transform Sunbird into a gas producer and provide us with the opportunity for further expansion utilising the existing 2P reserves and beyond that upside with over 8 TCF of additional drilling targets identified throughout Sunbird's extensive production licence.